Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Civic, that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse, guys, for the rear heated seat is located, which fuse you need to check for that specifically, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste, guys, your money. And why it's important to test fuses, all that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021, where we make these videos to save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So if we come right here now, guys, let's explain where the rear heated seat fuse is located. We're going to demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic. You will need to open the hood, and once you open the hood on your Honda Civic, you're going to see right here in the corner on the right side you have a fuse box. That's the fuse box here. You will need to open that cover. Once you open the cover on that fuse box, you will see a fuse layout like this one. This is towards the front of your Honda Civic, this is towards the windshield side. Now let's explain, guys, okay, which fuse we need to check here specifically, but before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now right here let's explain on which fuse we need to check. Some of you may not have that one, we don't have it as an option, but we wanted to show you in case, okay, you have that option on your car, and we're going to explain how many amps that fuse is as well, so you know what to expect. So we're going to go ahead, okay, and show you here now. We're going to have okay, 15 amp fuse, which will be known as fuse number 31. You will have some fuses here on some options, and we're going to talk about fuse number 31, okay, right here, that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.